Vegan and obesity, weight management on a plant-based diet. Veganism is a lifestyle choice that involves abstaining from the use of any animal products, including meat, dairy, and eggs. It has gained popularity in recent years due to its potential health benefits and the increasing awareness about animal cruelty and environmental concerns. One of the main reasons why people adopt a vegan diet is to maintain a healthy weight and prevent obesity. So let's explore the connection between veganism and obesity, highlighting the factors that contribute to weight management on a plant-based diet. Firstly, a plant-based diet that is rich in whole, unprocessed foods can be an effective way to manage weight and prevent obesity. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts are staples in a vegan diet, and these foods are naturally low in calories, high in fiber, and nutrient-dense. Consuming a diet with these qualities can help individuals feel fuller for longer periods, reducing their overall caloric intake and aiding weight loss or maintenance. Secondly, the absence of animal-derived products in a vegan diet helps eliminate certain high-fat, high-calorie foods that can contribute to weight gain. Foods such as red meat, dairy products, and eggs are often high in saturated fat and cholesterol, which are known to contribute to obesity and other health issues. By eliminating these foods from their diet, vegans can reduce their intake of unhealthy fats and cholesterol, thus lowering their risk of becoming obese. Moreover, veganism often promotes a greater focus on mindful eating and increases individuals' awareness of their food choices. This can lead to better portion control and overall food consumption. Research has shown that individuals who follow a vegan diet are more likely to pay attention to their food choices, leading to improved dietary habits that contribute to weight management and prevent obesity. Additionally, plant-based diets are associated with higher metabolic rates due to their thermogenic effects. This means that the body burns more calories while processing plant foods compared to animal-based foods. The increased fiber content in plant-based diets also regulates blood sugar levels, preventing fluctuations that can lead to overeating and weight gain. Furthermore, a vegan diet can contribute to weight loss indirectly through its impact on other lifestyle factors. Vegans often have higher levels of physical activity, as they are motivated by ethical, environmental, and health-related reasons. Regular physical activity plays a vital role in burning calories and maintaining a healthy weight. By combining a vegan diet with regular exercise, individuals can achieve weight loss or prevent obesity more effectively. It is important to note that while veganism can be a healthy way to manage weight, it is not a guarantee against obesity. Like any diet, it requires proper planning and attention to nutritional needs. Consuming an abundance of processed vegan foods, such as fried snacks or sugary treats, can still contribute to weight gain and negatively affect overall health. In conclusion, adopting a vegan diet can be an effective strategy to manage weight and prevent obesity. A plant-based diet promotes the consumption of low-calorie, nutrient-dense foods, eliminates high-fat animal products, and encourages mindful eating. Combined with increased physical activity, a vegan lifestyle can contribute to weight loss and overall health improvements. However, like any dietary choice, it is essential to maintain a balanced and well-planned vegan diet to ensure optimal health benefits and weight management. I hope this information on vegan and obesity was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe. For more tips and topics on being vegan, vegan diets, vegan recipes, vegan smoothies, and eating healthy as a vegan, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's make today the day we change our eating habits for a healthier life by doing what's right for our bodies. Remember, you are what you eat. Thanks for watching.